Did you know that deadlifting can boost your overall strength by 50%? Not only that, but it's also one of the best exercises to improve your overall fitness and protect against injuries. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to deadlift like a pro in 2024. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Josh. I'm a fitness trainer. I've been training for over 20 years. I compete in events such as CrossFit, high rocks, mud runs, triathlons, Spartan races, you name it. You like watching content that is simple, straight to the point, that takes out all the fluff, all the blah, blah, blah of all these fitness videos that are long for no reason. This is a channel for you. All right, I get straight to the point, cut out the fluff, so you can spend less time trying to figure it out through someone's video and more time actually making progress. If that's what you like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Hey, first thing we need to talk about is warming up. Deadlifting involves lifting heavy weights, which puts significant stress on your muscles, joints, and tendons. A proper warm-up will increase blood flow to these areas, making them more flexible and reducing the risk of strains, sprains, and tears. Warming up also activates the muscles you're using during the deadlift, especially your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back and core. This activation will help you lift more efficiently and effectively, allowing you to handle heavier weights with better form. A good warm-up will also loosen your muscles and joints, allowing greater range of motion. This is especially important for deadlifting as it helps maintain proper form throughout the lift, reducing the risk of rounding your back and using incorrect technique. Also, when you're warming up, it helps you prepare mentally for the lift. Focusing on your technique and getting into the right mindset can help make a big difference in your performance, helping you approach the deadlift with confidence. And lastly, warming up raises your body temperatures and improves circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. This can enhance your energy levels and endurance during the lift itself. Now let's talk about the gear that's good to have, but you do not need. So this is lifting straps. Lifting straps is good when you are going way above and beyond your max because your grip is the most limiting factor. Next on the list is thumb tape. Thumb tape is good to have to put around your thumbs, tape up your thumbs so you can have more grip and not be slick. Next you have chalk. Chalk is obviously good for your grip around the bar so your hands will not slip as you get sweaty during the lift. Next on the list is a lifting belt. Lifting belt comes in all shapes and sizes, but the main point is to help brace your core and also to prevent injuries. And last on the list, we have weightlifting shoes. These are good to increase ankle mobility if you have poor ankle mobility and also to help create a stable platform. Now it's time for the setup. So, foot position. Start with your feet hip width apart, toes pointing forward or slightly out. You want to keep your feet at 45 degrees. You also want the bar under the base of your feet. And now you want to try to mimic the actual movement. So good mornings is a good way to remember how to pick up the bar when you're doing a deadlift. So first thing you want to do after you get your feet position set, do not reach for the bar. You want to hinge back. So push your hips back as far as they go. And then all you got to do is just grab the bar. All right. This prevents rounding of the back. And this will put you in a correct position when you are doing a deadlift. Now let's talk about how you should grip the bar. You should use a hook grip when you're using the bar. That means place your thumb around the bar and your fingers over your thumb. When you put it all together, this is what it should look like. The bar is in the middle of the foot. Then you push your hips back as far as it can go. Then you grab the bar with a hook grip. You will know that you are in a perfect position when your back is neutral and your hamstrings are loaded. Yes, you should feel your hamstrings in a deadlift. If you feel it in your lower back and you are doing something wrong, you need to stop and readjust. Now let's talk about some common mistakes with the deadlift. One common mistake with the deadlift is the bar is too close to your shins. If the bar is too close to your shins cannot bend to a good position that will put you in a neutral spine. Instead, you are lifting with your back. This would create lower back pain, as you can see as I'm rounding with my back and I am lifting 100% with my back. I'm not using my legs to push the ground away, which is a bad thing. This would create back pain in the future and it will hurt like crap. Stop rounding your back like this. This is not a deadlift. Another common issue is hyperextension. As you can see, even though I am pushing the ground away, I am hyperextending my lower back. This will also cause lower back pain and would be very, very painful in the morning when you're getting up. Another issue is you're not using a hook grip. If you're not using a hook grip, your hook is the most limiting factor and the bar will slip out your hand as you increase weight. because your hands are not strong enough to go with the load that you are trying to increase with. So another issue is trying to lift with improper form or improper mobility. Hey guys, this is an easy fix, man. Just grab a couple 45 plates, stick it underneath the barbell, and keep it moving. The barbell needs to meet you at your mobility, not your mobility meets the barbell. What does that mean? That means if you cannot get in the correct position, something else is going to compensate on your body that is not meant to compensate, and then thus you will have imbalances. More imbalances create injury, injury create pain, and so forth and so forth and so forth. So as you can see, I just put 45 plates underneath the barbell, meet me at my mobility, and I just keep on doing the exact same thing that I said earlier in the video. It's very crucial, guys. Leave your ego at the door. Nobody cares. I could deadlift 530 pounds, which is my all-time max, and I still do everything in this video that I am showing you and telling you for proper training. Now, only after you master the fundamentals of the deadlift, and not before then you can start adding it in conditioning workouts, like this one right here that I program. This is a workout directly from the program that I wrote. So it is 3 rounds for time, 5 deadlifts at 70% of your 1 rep max, followed by 10 burpee over the bar, followed by 20 leg raises. I create well-rounded fitness and conditioning and strength training programs. This is because strength training builds muscle, enhances power, and improves bone density, while conditioning boosts cardiovascular health, endurance, and overall stamina. This combination helps you develop a more complete fitness profile, making you stronger, faster, and more resilient. Another reason why I program my workouts like this is because this approach enhances your ability to perform daily activities, from lifting heavy objects to running, and with greater ease and less risk of injury in daily life. Now, when you get done with your deadlift workout, you gotta cool down. So hop on a bike or a treadmill for like 5 or 10 minutes. This is because after an intense exercise, lactic acid and other waste products build up in your muscles. Cooling down, especially with gentle stretching or light activity, helps clear these byproducts from your muscles, reducing the risk of stiffness and soreness, also known as delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. So to recap, mastering the deadlift comes down to proper technique, safety, and core engagement. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be on your way to deadlifting with confidence and power in 2024. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below and share on your deadlifting experiences or challenges. And don't forget to check out my next video on advanced lifting techniques to take your strength level to the next level. If you're ready to take your fitness to the next level with a balanced approach, check out my hybrid program. It is designed to help you get stronger, faster, and more fit without burning out. Just head over to the link in the bio. I'd love to help you reach your goals. See you there.